Woke up today, your laptop's slow. Wi-Fi's out, emails won't go. Printer jammed, the screen is blue. You think, what would DrTech do? 'Cause we care, convenience at your door. Affordable help, you won't need more. Reliable hands that fix with flair. Efficient like we're walking on air. We're DrTech and we make it work. C is for convenience, A for affordable, R for reliable, E for efficient. From tune-ups to networks, we've got you covered. So remember, when you're vague, ask DrTech. When you're stuck, call DrTech. When it's broke, trust DrTech. Because at DrTech, we care.